their sanders. And this is going to be a group or a selection of tools depending on your needs. First, they just come out with these M12 6-inch sanders, some of the smoothest sanders on the market. These are absolutely mind-blowingly smooth. No vibration, especially in the 2.5 millimeter or 3/32 stroke. I actually think this is the perfect sander for finishes and things like that. The 5 millimeter is the one I actually like the best for woodworking. Because it has that 5 millimeter stroke, it's a little more aggressive than the 3/32. But don't let aggressive words scare you off, because 5 millimeter I think is the perfect sander for woodworkers who are sanding tabletops, who are sanding cutting boards, really any woodworking project. This one's better for finishes and veneers, where the higher stroke rate is better for normal wood sanding. The only thing lacking here, I think, is battery life. They're slightly underwhelming on battery life, but as far as the smoothness and the operation, these are some of the better higher end sanders that you can buy. Next, the little 3-inch sander. This came out last year in 2024. I think it's one of their better releases of last year. This is a little 3-inch sander, so if you're trying to get into tight spaces, if you're making trays or different things like that, this is the way to go. This is just a really cool little sander, and I'm glad they brought this to the market. It has 4 speeds. It's a random orbital sander, so you're going to get a really nice finish, and it's just an all-around good little tool. Now, they also make an orbital detail sander that's basically shaped like a home plate, is what I say. This is perfect to get into corners and things like that. They actually market this for like trim carpenters and things like that, like sanding on trim. It has a little interface pad that's squishy so it doesn't damage your corners and things like that. I use this all the time on trays like we make on the CNC. So like guitar trays or even the baseball trays, to get it up into the corners, around the edges. Like this is a perfect little small sander, and this also is an orbital sander, so it's actually creating that orbital motion. So it's not side to side, kind of like what you would see with an oscillating tool, which just basically is just vibrating side to side. Will create a lot of scratches and things like that in your finish. This won't do that. You'll get a really nice finish, especially when you're applying stains and paints and things like that.